The Fiio K7 is one of the most impressive desktop DAC and headphone amp combos you can get at this price point. Designed for wired headphones and in-ear monitors, this unit delivers a serious audio upgrade without breaking the bank. If you're used to plugging your headphones directly into your computer's audio jack, you're in for a huge leap in sound quality. The K7 connects via USB and features both 4.4mm balanced and 6.35mm unbalanced headphone outputs, letting you take full advantage of your gear, especially if you've invested in high-quality headphones. With a robust build and a satisfying physical volume knob, the K7 gives off a premium feel. You'll notice its outstanding audio detail and wide soundstage right away. Everything from subtle background elements in a track to deep bass tones comes through with more clarity and separation. Whether you're listening to high-res audio files on Qobuz or just old MP3s from your collection, the K7 enhances everything you feed into it. While it's not portable and doesn't support MQA, the Fiio K7 makes up for it with pure performance. The only minor annoyances are a LED ring around the volume knob that can't be turned off and a matte finish that picks up fingerprints easily. But those are small trade-offs for what this device offers sonically. What's even more surprising is that this level of performance comes at an entry-level price. Competing DAC amp combos with similar quality usually cost much more. You can also bypass the amp and connect it to powered speakers or a preamp, making it a versatile addition to any desktop setup. If you're serious about getting the most out of your music or movies at your desk, the Fiio K7 is a no-brainer. It proves that you don't have to spend a fortune to experience true audiophile sound.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.